Hello, Ben. Hello. Such a cute little boy. Look at those eyes. Very pretty. Yeah. Look how cute he looks. Maybe I should stop talking in this baby voice if I'm going to post this online. Here's Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hey.
Hi, baby. Hello. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh! Oh! Oh, is that a yawn? Pretty cute. Okay. Pretty cute little room here, Benjamin. Alright, buddy, you go to sleep, okay? Here, comb your hair a little bit. Should be back in.